Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanne and this is To Crochet Curious. So today we're going to be talking about Never Have I Ever. And this is a new project. It is Graphghan. Well, it's not a Graphghan. It's graph crochet. Let's say that. So this is my first project, doing just a little fairly uncomplicated sort of a graph, um, to get myself in gear to do a major graph GAN. So what I'm doing is I got this off the Lion Brand website, and I'm doing the Gloria Ghost Scarf. And this ghost scarf is designed by Devine Debris. And it's a level 3 intermediate, but it is just, 2 colors. So I figured that was pretty basic. So I am using Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday Medley. And this is in the color Rust. So let me show you that one. It's this. And a pumpkin-y Halloween sort of color, right? And then I am using Mainstays Anti-Pilling Acrylic in white. And they're both 4 weights. So I'm following the graph. It lays it out. I didn't bring that. Because I'm not going to show the pattern because it's a paid kit. And I'm actually getting glow-in-the-dark yarn, but I don't know when it will ever be here because they haven't even shipped it yet. So, and time is ticking towards Halloween. So I'm going to go ahead and get this scarf made with what I have on hand, and then later I will use the glow-in-the-dark for something else. Maybe I'll make a Christmas stocking with it or something. I don't know. And anyway, so I've started, and basically the way this goes is you make a left-facing side and a right-facing side, and then you make half the scarf and then seam the 2 halves together. So one of the ghosts is leaning one direction and one will lean the other direction, as you can see. And so I'm following the first one, and basically what I'm doing is, now that we're past the very beginning part, I was carrying the yarn across for the very beginning because that's what it says to do. And then once you get to where you're just going white all the way across here with just the darker color on the edges, I have actually 2 strands of the dark color on either side, and then I'm carrying my white back and forth. So that's how I'm doing this. So it's cool, and I'm learning like how to carry the yarn behind. I had to like pay attention to how I pick up my stitches so that I'm not bringing up the wrong color in the midst of the other color and that type of thing. So it's pretty cool. It's giving me a little bit of confidence that although that other Graphghan is very complicated, but I think if I take my time with it, I'll be okay. But I want to try to do this fairly quickly so that I can get it done and somebody can actually wear it for Halloween. That'd be nice. So, working on that. So this is the first of my graph editions of Never Have I Ever, and I will continue to update you on my progress, and maybe I'll show you some of the steps getting ready to do the major one that has all the colors in it, my gnome blanket. I'm excited to do it, but yeah, it's a little intimidating, I got to admit. But what is it's yarn, it's crochet, and it's fun to do. It's cool to learn new things. Anybody can learn new things. All you got to do is stretch yourself a little bit. So, if you're kind of stuck in a rut or something, maybe find just one thing that's a little out of your comfort zone and give it a try and see what you think. And remember this hat? I made this from yarn I bought from TL Yarn Crafts, Tony Lipsy. This it was I think a denim colorway. Um, it was my first nice wool that I bought, and I was so happy with it. Oh my gosh, it's so lovely to feel. And so yeah, I have the weather's chilling out here a little bit, so I get opportunities to wear my different hats and stuff. When I'm out in the garage, keeps me a little warmer, and I'm just having fun. You know, I'm feeling better today, but I gotta tell you, if you lasted this far into the video, God bless you. I think I've been struggling with depression. I upped my medication. I talked to the doctor about it and upped my medication for depression. And I am feeling much better the last couple days. So I think I was kind of in a not quite the worst place, but not the best place. And I just needed a little bit of help. So I have been struggling with depression my whole life. Um, and for many, many years, like all my adult life up until my mid 30s, I never was diagnosed with depression because I never talked to a doctor about it. But oh my gosh, did I have issues. And since I have learned to recognize what it is, what it feels like when I have it, I've gotten a lot better at asking for help. So I just want to encourage you, if you feel like you are drowning in life, maybe you need to talk to somebody and see if there is, something, don't be ashamed to have to take drugs. Depression is a chemical imbalance, and sometimes the only way to fix that is with chemicals. So don't be afraid to ask your doctor for help to try to figure out what's going on. All right. Have a wonderful evening, and I look forward to talking with you again soon. Bye now.